Hi everyone! In this video, we'll see how to create variable products in WooCommerce. This type of product is great if you sell items that come in different ways, like shoes that come in different sizes and colors. This way you can have just one product page with all the options instead of having one product for each possible variation. Now, let's get to it.
So first, let's see what a variable product is. We're talking about a product that can be bought in different variations. This t-shirt, for example, comes in 4 different sizes. What's great about variable products is that you don't need to create one simple product for size L, another one for size M, and so on. You can just create a product with all the variations available so they can be selected on the same product page. Now let's go see how to create a variable product. Let's go to the dashboard, products. Here I have all the products I have created so far. I'm going to add a new one. And let's start creating a variable product. First, we're going to name it sneakers. This is the title that is shown here on the side. Back. Next, we can enter the product description, but be aware that this is not the description you see here. It is actually the one you see here. To add the description we see here next to the product image, we have to go back and scroll down, and we can add it here to the product short description. Let's add some text to both these descriptions. There we go. Now we can click here to see a preview while we're working on this product. Here's the short description, and here's the product description. Let's go back. Now here we have product image and product gallery. Images are an important element we have to add when creating a product. Keep in mind, customers see the product image before they even read the description, so you should use an image that's eye-catching, and if possible, add a few images to the gallery so customers can really see how the product looks and any important details before buying. So let's add a product image first. Here we can drag and drop the image we want to use, or we can upload it here, or we can click on Media Library. Here we can find all the images we have uploaded previously to the media gallery. I'm going to select one of these images. Let me search for images with the word shoes in the title. Okay, and I get all these results. I'm going to pick this one as my main product image. Set product image. There we go. And then we can add a few images to the gallery. We're going to look for shoes again. I'm going to click here. And I'm going to select more images just by pressing down Control or Command and clicking on the other images. Add to gallery. There we go. So here's my product gallery. You can click here if you want to remove any of these images, and you can move them around like this to change their position. Let's do this order. Now let's preview the product again. So now we have the main product image right here and the gallery here. So I can click on any of the images to see more of this product.
Before moving on, let me remind you to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell down below so you know every time we publish a new video. Now, let's continue.
Now let's go back. Okay, so now we're going to move on to categories. Both these and product tags help customers have a better browsing experience so they can filter and find the products they want based on the categories and tags that we have associated with the products. For example, let's go to the shop. Let's go ahead and choose this shirt. Okay, so here we have the categories this product belongs to: clothing and women. I want to see other products that belong to the clothing category, so I can just click on this category I'm interested in. There we go. So now I'm on the category page and I can see all the products that belong to the clothing category. So this can be very helpful for customers when browsing through the shop. Tags work the same way, but they're more specific. For example, if the category is pants, tags could be jeans, shorts, joggers, and so on. For these sneakers, we're going to choose the women category and shoes. And in tags, we can add running because these are also running shoes. Now let's go to product data. Here's where we can set the product type. We have simple product, group product, external affiliate product, and variable product last. We're going to choose this one. As soon as I select it, you see that the options to make it virtual and downloadable disappeared because now they're going to be found inside the variations options, not as a general option for this product. We have a total of 6 tabs here: inventory, shipping, linked products, attributes, variations, and advanced. In inventory, we can set the SKU of the product. That's the stock keeping unit, a code you should assign to every product. Then we have the stock management option to track the stock quantity for this product. If I enable this option, I get an option to set how many products there are in stock. we can decide if we want to allow back orders or not. And here's the low stock threshold option. Here we can set an amount, let's say 2. When the stock of this product reaches 2, an email will be sent to me to let me know that I have a low stock threshold for this product and I need to restock. I'm going to uncheck this option, and we can also limit the purchase of this item to 1 item per order. Then in shipping, you can set the weight of the product, the dimensions, and the shipping class. We're not going to use these options, but this information would be shown to customers next to the long description. Let me show you. I'm going to enter some measurements here, and let's go see a preview. I'm going to scroll down, and here I have the description. And next I have additional information. If I click on it, I can see the dimensions. Back. Okay, so next we have linked products. Here we can use 2 of the most popular marketing techniques online: upselling to suggest other products, usually more expensive, as alternatives to these sneakers, and cross-selling to suggest additional products to add to the cart and increase the order value. Then in attributes, we can use the attributes we have previously created in products attributes, or we can add new ones from scratch here. In this case, we're going to add color and size, 2 attributes that I have already created on the site. So I'm going to click here and click on color. There we go. These sneakers will be available in 2 colors. They can be bought in turquoise or in black. We want to make sure these 2 values are visible on the product page and used for variations. And we're going to save. And next we're going to add the sizes. And we're going to have these sneakers available in 3 sizes: size 8, size 9, and size 10. Same here, we're going to check these 2 options and we're going to save. Now that we have added the attributes for these sneakers, we're going to move on to the variations tab. So variations are all possible variants of the attributes we have just added. We can click here to create them automatically, or here to do it manually. For example, if a color is not available in all sizes, we can do it manually, but I'm going to click on generate variations. And here we have all the possible variations with all the colors and all the sizes. If I expand this, I'm going to find these options for each one of these variations. Here are the options to make it a downloadable variation or a virtual one. To manage stock, we can enter the variations regular price, sale price, stock, weight, dimensions, shipping class, and description in case we want to add a description for this variation. Now, let's say that the black variations are $20. So I'm going to add 20 to each one of these black variations. And then the turquoise variations are 25 instead. And after adding all the prices, we're going to save changes. Let's go up, and here are all the variations saved. Last, in advance, we can enter a purchase note that customers will receive when they order the product. We can enter the menu order, and we can also enable reviews. Let's preview one last time before publishing. So here we have the attributes used for the variations, color and size. We can choose the color, let's say black, and the size here, let's say 9. Here I see the price of this specific variation, $20. If I choose turquoise instead, it is 25. And I think we can say that this product is ready to be published. Let's go back and let's click on publish. And now we can go see this product. Great, so here we have the name, the pricing. We have variations going from $20 to $25. The short description, we can select the color here and the size here, so we can get the price of this specific variation here. We didn't add the SKU, so not applicable here. We have the categories, women and shoes, and the tag, running. Here we see the product image and the gallery. Here we have the product description, and last we have additional information where we can see the dimensions and the attributes used for this product. And that's it. That's how easy it is to create a variable product in WooCommerce.
Okay, so you can create a variable product. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, and we'll meet again for the next video.